Hey guys, this is Billy here. So the new iPhone 16 Pro just dropped and I know a lot of you are excited about it. It's sleek, powerful, and packed with all the latest features. But before you rush out to buy one, I want to share something with you that could be a game changer. Instead of spending that money on the latest iPhone, what if you invested it in Apple itself? Think about it. Why just be a consumer when you can actually own a piece of the company behind the tech you love? Here are 5 reasons why investing in Apple shares might be a smarter move than buying the iPhone 16 Pro. First, let's talk ownership. When you buy an iPhone, you're just a consumer. But when you invest in Apple shares, you're an owner. Every time Apple makes a big move, whether it's launching a new product or entering a new market, you benefit. You're not just watching Apple succeed, you're part of that success. Second, let's consider value over time. The moment you take your new iPhone out of the box, it starts to lose value. That's just the nature of gadgets. But Apple shares, they've been climbing steadily for years. In fact, over the past decade, Apple's stock has delivered an incredible 885.7% total return. That's an annualized return of 25.7%. While your iPhone might get outdated, your investment in Apple could be growing, adding real value to your portfolio. Now, here's something your iPhone can't do: pay you dividends. Apple is a dividend paying company, which means they share a portion of their profits with you, the shareholder. So not only could your investment grow over time, but you'd also receive regular cash payouts. Imagine getting paid just for holding onto your shares, something your iPhone definitely won't do. Fourth, Apple isn't just about iPhones. The company is at the forefront of innovation in AI, wearables, cloud services, and more. By investing in Apple, you're not just betting on the iPhone, you're investing in the future of technology. You're tapping into a broader world of innovation and growth that goes far beyond just one product. Finally, let's talk about making a smarter financial move. The iPhone 16 Pro is awesome, but it's a costly indulgence with no financial return. On the other hand, investing in Apple shares is a way to build wealth over time. Instead of owning a phone that will be old news in a few years, you could own shares in a company that keeps innovating and increasing in value. So, before you make that purchase, think about this. Do you want the latest gadget, or do you want to invest in the future? Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you team iPhone or team invest in Apple shares? And if you're curious about how to get started with investing, feel free to ask. I'm here to help you make informed decisions that can set you up for long-term success. Remember, it's not just about spending your money, it's about making it work for you.